welcome back to my channel. I know it's been like such a freaking long time. I haven't filmed for you guys, my bad. Like, I've been busy, like just going through my own shit. So yeah, so I've been getting ready like all the time now, like almost every single day now. So I was like, you know what, let me film a video for y'all, like, because I've been doing like these little smoky looks, and every time I go out they're like, oh my god, I love your makeup. So I'm gonna film that the look that you guys been seeing on my Instagram, that little smoky eyeshadow look. I'm gonna do that for you guys today. So I'm gonna basically do my eyebrows and everything, and ya que me llegue el tiempo, my dog, excuse my dog, can somebody let the dog out? Yeah, when it's time to do the eyeshadow, I'll get back to you guys on it. Okay, so I'll be back. So the first one is my Huda Beauty one. You guys seen it, the remastered palette. Yeah, the rose gold remastered palette. The second one's gonna be Blushing Berries by Dosa Colors. My sister-in-law gave me this for, I think, like Christmas. My ex-sister-in-law, she's still my sister-in-law, even though me and her brother broke up, she's still my sister-in-law. Okay, girl, if you're watching this, I still love you. Quick color switch. So I love this because usually, like, I'll just wipe off the brush. I'm not gonna lie, I'll just wipe off the brush on my shirt. But look, this is so cool. So it's like a esponja, but it's like a rough, like a, you know, like those esponjas that you use para lavar las ollas, like those hard ones. That's basically what this is. So it cleans off the color for you. And I go into my Huda Beauty and I use the shadow called Demure. Demure is that one. And I just apply it all over my crease like so. I didn't put a setting powder or anything. I don't know why. I like how it looks like this. I feel like it blends a lot better like this. And my dog's barking at people outside. Don't mind him. You guys know I don't apply hella. I know it looks like a little bit, but to me, like, cuando yo me miro en el espejo, like, está más oscuro que se les ve a ustedes. So, and you just blend that. Then I'm gonna do the other eye. I was gonna go to the park, but I forgot my daughter had a class today. And I was like, oh, well, I'll just take them to the park tomorrow, because they have this little, like, drive-through event at their school for, like, Easter. And basically, like, all the teachers go outside and, like, drop stuff. Like, it's like a drive-through in the parking lot, and they give them, like, Easter stuff. They take their little baskets, and you drive through with your mask on, of course. And, yeah. So I was like, oh, maybe, like, after that, I'll just take them to the park. But today I was just gonna go to Starbucks, and I was like, let me film a video real quick, porque me he estado listando todos los días. And I only post the pictures on my Instagram, and I post no YouTube videos. And I know a lot of people are like, when are you gonna post another YouTube video? Not a lot, just the people that watch me, because, like, not a lot of you guys watch me. I'm just kidding. And I'm gonna just clean it off here. And I'm gonna use the same Huda Beauty, but I'm gonna use Sandalwood, which is this one. And I'm gonna put that one in my crease too. And I'm gonna apply that to the crease as well. Pues lo mucho que tragaste. Me quería esos pinches platos de espagueti bien loaded con queso. Pues, ¿qué esperas?
My mommy has a new fluffy rug. Fluffy.
Me being like, okay, so like I wanted to redo my room. Y puse cortinas of like rose pink color, like a blush pink. Y puse todas mis cobijas blancas y mis pelos rositas and some big fluffy pink pillows. Y yo acá queriendo todo blanco, not realizing que se iba a ensuciar bien rápido. Y estas me cae gordo que se suban a mi cama con sus pinches patas bien sucias. Like they know, you know, you're not allowed on my bed, so get off of my bed. So yeah, I need to wash my sheets again, because these kids.
It's your fault for getting white sheets.
No, it's your fault. You should not be going on my bed. So that is what it's looking like here. And you just do that, to be honest. I'm gonna grab the big fluffy brush again, and I'm gonna just blend it. Not blend it, but just like pat a little bit of that other color in there. And just blend, I guess. So we're done with that. Next, this is all I do, and like I get so many compliments on this eyeshadow look, so many. Like I even went to Sephora yesterday, and the girls in there were like, "Oh my god, I love your eyeshadow." And then I'm gonna get this one, and I'm gonna use this color, which is Mixed Berries. Oh yeah, it is called Mixed Berries. And I'm gonna just apply that on my eyelid like this. And it's like a light smoky look, and I love this look. I love doing it. Dude, no lie, whenever like I'm feeling down and I need somebody to hype me up, girl, the best place to go is a carniceria. Let me tell you, like like them fools at the carniceria, they something else. They make you feel pretty and all that. And then palette, and then I'm gonna just blend this a little bit. Okay, literally that's all I do for my eyeshadow. All I'm gonna do right now is apply my foundation, my concealer, and my bronzer, and my lashes, and you guys are gonna see the difference. But that's all we're doing on the eyeshadow, and I'll be back once I apply everything, because it takes forever to apply it. That every time I do it on camera, it's like 15 minutes of like straight footage of me doing my face, and I feel like you guys seen how I do my face already, so all that's not necessary. What I mainly wanted to show you guys was the eyeshadow and how easy it is to do it. Okay, so I'm wearing a top. Okay, so don't think que ando toda encuerada acá, but this is the finished look. Y'all might see some little glue on there, just disregard. Okay, this is a completed look. So I did go ahead and add like a, I need to put more edge control over here. I did go ahead and put white eyeliner on my inner eyelid, bottom eyelid I should say, her bottom waterline on my eye, and then I put mascara, pero casi no se ve. And yeah, this is the completed look. I put my eyelashes on, I did my whole face. You guys seen how I do my face. One thing I did want to show you guys was this lip gloss. Of course, I get lip injections right now. Like, ya se me están bajando, but like, they're still there, you know, they're there. So, I've been getting my lip fillers. I got some wax on here. I've been getting lip fillers. I already went like 3 times. If you guys recall, I had no lips. Right now I have a bunch of shiny stuff, so you can't see it, and the makeup's kind of covering the top lip. But I got this lip injection, Too Faced lip injection lip gloss. And when I tell you, I freaking love it. Let me show you. Like, it plumps your lips up. So I'm gonna just throw this bad boy on. Look how good this looks. Dude, I feel like so good ever since I got my lips done. It's like a game changer. Like, if you have no lips and you're hesitating on getting lip fillers, it is an investment. It is expensive, I'm not gonna lie. It's pretty pricey, but go ahead and do it. Like, it's a life changer. I tell everybody, dude, if you want to do it and you got the money, just go for it. If you don't got the money, I would wait until you get the money, because it's an expensive habit to keep up with, for sure. It is something that you have to go back and do, like, you're supposed to go back every 6 months. I personally go back every 3 months. Sometimes I go every month, only because I'm trying to build up my top lip. I feel like, who the fuck's here? Oh. I feel like the bottom has a lot of volume, but the top one is the one that needs it. The top one is the one that needed it. So yes, so if you are thinking of getting your lips done, I would highly recommend it. You guys saw my doctor in my last video, so you guys can hit him up y háganse lo que quieran, whatever makes you happy, whatever floats your boat. But yes, it's a game changer, and I recommend that if you are thinking about it, contemplating, just do it. But yeah, this is a completed look. You guys know I did use Makeup Forever foundation, the Too Faced school how do you say it, sculpting concealer. And yeah, this is the look. I'm not really going anywhere. I'm just going to Starbucks and the Carniceria. You know, if you ever need to get hyped up, go to the Carniceria. I'm telling you, them carniceros will hype your ass up when you're feeling ugly. So, but aside from that, I need to get carne. So, ahí me voy a hacer pendeja en la pinche tienda. So yeah, so that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. If you guys want to see more looks, hit me up. This is the look. But if you guys want to see more looks, hit me up. Go ahead and subscribe or follow my Instagram, you guys. Follow and subscribe to my YouTube. I know I get like a lot of viewers, and you guys need to subscribe because y'all are just watching and not subscribing. Y como quieren que haga más videos. Okay, but yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace out. See y'all next time.